You know, tendering can be like a juggling act sometimes, especially when you're managing multiple projects. Things can fall through the cracks, and let's be honest, we can get unpleasant surprises as closing dates approach faster than we thought they would. This is why we added the calendar feature to Swiftender. Let's take a quick look at this. Right now, we're in the project section, and the calendar feature is essentially hidden. If we want to show a partial view, we can click this button at the top, and you see we have a 2-week look ahead for our calendar. So that's one option. We can hide or show the partial view. The other option is to do full screen. So this is going to give you a 4-week look ahead, and basically you're not going to be looking at that list and that table format at all anymore. Now, here's a couple of things you'll notice. The projects are situated in the calendar based on their closing date. They're also different colors. You see this one is a solid blue. Now, that means that is an active project that's being tendered, that is run by you. You're the point person on it. You have light blue, which is an active project that's being tendered where somebody else is the point person. Okay, somebody else on your team is managing that. You also have gray, which is tenders that have been closed. So this project's no longer being sent out for invitation. You've decided not to do that. Or in this case, the closing date has passed and it's automatically assumed to be closed. So that's your basic rundown of the different colors. Now, you'll also notice there's a little gear next to each project. You can click this, and you can change who the point person is. You can close the tender, or you can delete the project if you need to do. So some high-level changes to the projects, right? Of course, you can click on the project itself to go into it, to check out the details section, to check out the invite list, all the goods that you're probably already familiar with here. So let's go back to the project section here. All right, we got our calendar here. We see all the different projects on there. The one last thing to mention is right at the bottom here, this is the button to create a new project. We click this, and this is the old familiar form. If you fill this out and submit it, you'll see a new project pop up on the calendar wherever its closing date is. So there you have it, the calendar view at your disposal.